This Logik fridge freezer delivers a performance that's better for your bills, thanks to its efficient A+ energy rating. The frost-free system prevents the build-up of ice in the cavity, saving you valuable time and effort spent manually defrosting your appliance. The non-plumbed water dispenser doesn't require tricky pipe installations. Simply fill the tank as required and enjoy quick and easy access to delicious chilled water. Perfect for summer days when instant refreshment is required. LED lighting offers gloriously bright and even illumination across all of the shelves. Efficient and long-lasting, the energy-saving bulbs offer perfect visibility throughout the cavity. With spacious freezer drawers and a generous capacity fridge, this Logik fridge freezer has plenty of room for all of your fresh and frozen goods.